Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today you learn how to install the invisible zipper. You need the zipper foot. You start by holding down the side of the zipper, so you can use your normal machine foot for this one. Hold it on both sides for ease. This will help when you want to stitch really close to the zipper. You can pin down to help you. It's time to sew very close to the zipper. So chain normal footer to the right installation zipper footer. You just drag and push against the zipper foot so that it sews really close. Before installing your zipper, you could as well iron flat the zipper teeth. It's not compulsory because I didn't have to do that. So after making sure you have installed your zipper, make sure you try it. Zip it up to try. Once you are satisfied with the result and no visible zip is showing, you go ahead to change your zipper foot to the left leg, and then you stitch from the point where you have stopped initially to the end of the fabric. You sew all the way to the end of the fabric. Ensure you iron out after installing the zipper. A picture of the outcome will be shown at the end of this video. Right now I'm just showing you an extra clip on how to finish the waist of your skirt. I just cut a strip of fabric that is about 1 inch wide, and the length is the length of your waist with 2 inches sewing allowance. You tuck that in such that when you open it up to form a loop around the zipper, and then you just fold that around your waist hem and sew along. Kindly give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more. Thank you very much.